It's one of the cool things about real estate is that when you borrow equity from a property, so if you do a cash out refinance or if you do a home equity line of credit, if you're borrowing from your property, you can do anything that you want with that money. Okay. So you could take it and renovate your own home. You could take it and buy another property. My advice would be, and this is how we build the portfolio, is that when you take money out of that first property, use that money to buy another one. Use that money to buy another one. Now you have 3 properties, right? You have the one that you're living in and you have the other 2 that are investments. That's where I think the smart move is. Because that equity, if you have enough equity to take out of the property, and you're not going to do a refinance to get a couple $1,000s out, right? So if you have enough equity to take a good amount of money out, it's going to take you a while to build that equity back up again. And you can really get that ball rolling if you take that money and put it into another property. And then when equity builds, take that money and, or if you take that money and spend it on cars, houses that you're going to live in on your own that don't generate income, all those kind of things, you're going to stop that ball. And so that's my piece of advice.